Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence with a game-changing platform that's shaking up the industry. Get ready to meet Devin AI. Imagine a world where tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. That's the promise of Devin AI. It's not just another AI tool, it's a revolution in efficiency and productivity. At Devin AI, we're passionate about leveraging the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to empower businesses and individuals. Our platform is designed to streamline workflows, optimize processes, and drive success. But what makes Devin AI stand out from the crowd? Great question. Devin AI combines powerful machine learning algorithms with an intuitive user interface, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a complete beginner, Devin AI has something to offer. Devin AI has been a game changer for my business. It's helped us automate repetitive tasks, analyze data more efficiently, and make better informed decisions. But it's not just about efficiency. Devin AI also prioritizes data security and privacy. We understand the importance of protecting your sensitive information, and we take every measure to ensure it remains safe and secure. And with Devin AI's continuous learning capabilities, the platform gets smarter over time, adapting to your unique needs and delivering personalized solutions. The future is here and it's powered by Devin AI. Join the revolution and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.